Hello, welcome back to my YouTube tutorials. In this video, I'm going to take you through the laws of logarithm. Okay, the laws of logarithm. So the first law of logarithm says that if you have, so this is the first law, if you have log to the base b x, okay, log to the base b and then the product of x and y is going to be log to the base b x plus log to the base b y. So this is the first law, okay? Yes. So if you have log to the base, okay, of a number of something in the form of this, it's going to be the expansion will be the log to the base of the first, which is this, okay, plus the log to the base b of the second. Okay, that is when they are multiplying. So the next law, which is log to the base b of x over y. Okay, so if you have a log to a certain base x over y, okay, that is when they are dividing is equal to the log to the base of x minus the log to the same base y. Okay, then the next law, which is the third law, we have log to the base b. Okay, log to the same base is always equal to 1. So assuming here you have log to the base 2, okay, log 2 to the base 2 is supposed to give you 1. If it is log 2 to the base 3, you're not supposed to get 1, okay. So it means to be able to get this one, the log of a certain number must be what? The base of the same number. So for instance, like I said, if you have log to the base 2, okay, of the same value here, okay, you are to get what? 1. So if you have log 5 to the base 5 is still 1, log 10 to the base 10, that one to give you 1. So that's what it means. Then let's move on to the fourth one. Log to the base b, then x exponent y. Okay, it's simply y, the log to the base b of x. Yes. So this expression here is equal to what? The right hand side here. And the same thing applies if you have this, okay, and you have to find the value is always equal to the left hand side. So the expression, okay, this is equal to this. Likewise, if you want to do it the vice versa, you're going to get what is on the left hand side. Then we have the next one, which is 5. Okay, if you have log base b 1 is equal to what? 0. So if you have log to the base of any number, okay, of 1, okay, log 1 to the base of any number is always equal to 0. So if you have log 1 to the base 100, you still get 0. Log 1 to the base 5 is still 0. Log 1 to the base 10 is still 0. So that's what it means. Let's move on to the next law, which is 6. Okay, so here if you have log to the base b, then x multiplying with y over z, okay, is equal to log to the base b x. Do not forget this is a product, okay? So if you're expanding it, it's going to be log to the base b x plus log y to the base b minus the denominator, which will be log c to the base b, okay? Yes, so this can be what? Expanded as this. Yes. Then let's move on to the next. So the seventh one, if you have log x to the base b, okay, is equal to 1 over log b to the base x, okay. So this is what? Change of base. Yes, this is what we call the change of what? Base. So if you have any logarithm question in the form of this, okay, and you're asked to find the value, is always equal to 1 over log b to the base x. So if assuming this place was given to us as log a to the base x, okay, log a to the base x, then your result must be 1 over log x to the base a. Yes, so that is it for this law. Let's move on to the next one. We have 8. If you have log y to the base x, okay, this one too, we are going to apply the change of base to it, okay. So in this type of log, if you are trying to change the base, okay, it's going to be, okay, you should have the same base, okay. Log, let's see, log to the base a, okay, of y must be divided by log x to the base what? A, okay. So assuming you are using numbers, say log, okay, we have log a to the base what? 4, okay. If you want to change this base, okay, you must get the same base. Are you getting it? So with that, we can decide to change the base to what? Base 2, so that we'll get it in the form of log to the base 2, okay, then 8 divided by log to the base 2, 4, okay. And you know this 8 can be rewritten as 2 exponent 3. So if you have that, it's going to be log 2 exponent 3 to the base 2, or divided by the same thing here to be 2 exponent 2, log 2 exponent 2 to the base what? 2, sorry. So here if you apply the law, okay, this one will come here, is going to be 3 log to the base 2, 2 divided by 2 log to the base 2. Okay, like I said earlier, if you have log of a certain number to the base of that same number, it's always 1. So it means log 2 to the base 2 will give us 1, and then log 2 to the base 2 here will also give us 1. So our final answer must be what? 3 over 2. So that should be the final answer in this type of what? Law. So I have the last one, which says log b to the b's x, okay, must be equal to a. So if you have a question in this form, okay, which says log to a number, okay, to a certain base equal to a number, then it simply means that you can take the antilog of that, okay. So in doing that, you are going to have log, okay. If you take the antilog of this, it simply means that this one will vanish, this log here will vanish. So you're going to have b equal to x, okay. The base will come and raise this, okay. It will take this one up, so it will raise the a. That will be b equal to x exponent a, okay. So if you take the antilog of this, that is what you're going to get. And the same thing applies to if you have a question like this and you want to apply the antilog, okay. If you have a question like this, then it simply means you're going to take a log to the base 10, okay. When you do that, you get back this, okay. Yes, so taking the antilog of this is what you're going to get. Yes, so these are the what various laws that we will need, okay, in our subsequent lessons. So we are going to apply these laws in our next video. So these are the laws that we will need, okay, in solving any logarithm questions. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, share it, and also like it, okay. So in our next video, we are going to apply these laws in solving what questions under logarithm. Once again, thank you for watching it. Goodbye.